These are the TREBLAB Wireless Z2 headphones with active noise cancellation, gaming mode. I mean, I'm such a big fan of this company. I love the way that they actually care about the user experience. The presentation is amazing. When you open the actual box of these amazing headphones, you just feel like you're getting something special. That's a huge plus for me, somebody who's been reviewing products for a very long time. Very easy to use manual. I'll tell you more about this awesome product in a second. I love the fact that they give you access to, any kind of help that you need, support. The email, phone number is there, their socials. Also comes with a 1-year warranty, which I think is really fantastic. And check this out. This is so awesome. This carrying case, when you just hold something and you feel something, you just really understand and actualize that you're getting something that is of premium, 5-star, excellent, exemplary quality. And voila, look at that. So awesome, this unboxing. So you have your power cord there, your headphone jack, in case you want to be old school and direct it right into your device. You also have your USB charge connector there, so you can charge your headphones. Look at this. I mean, when I pick this up, the premium craftsmanship, the quality, the softness, the elegance, the just the refined feel when I put it in my hands. These headphones are state of the art, and the sound quality is absolutely out of this world. These, I've got a ton of headphones and earbuds over the years. My family, I've got kids, I got my daughter, I got my son. They use tablets and devices. My wife. These are the sports, version of these headphones. Just super soft ear pads. Those ear pads feel like literally clouds on your ears. I'm not even kidding. So when you are at the gym or you're riding your bike, they're super comfortable, made of this awesome natural ultra soft material. That's super comfortable for my ear. It feels amazing. They won't slip around even if you run, jump, kick. Love the access to the buttons on the ear devices there, left and right. Super powerful, super awesome. I can't say enough about this. The flexibility, it's just super awesome. These are performance neodymium backed 40mm speakers, so you get that unreal audio quality that will boost your energy. I love the travel pack. I love everything about this. Durable, made tough for sports. Has that T-Quiet active noise cancellation technology. Block out that external sound so you can focus on your music. Love the case. I love everything about these headphones, and I cannot recommend these enough. You have seamless connectivity, top 100 Bluetooth headphones with a mic, best Bluetooth 5.0 connection, and a 1-year warranty. It's my wife wearing them right now, and she literally said, I quote, "These actually feel like heaven on my head." And she has a ton, a complete, truft of Goldilocks. And it's extremely, difficult to find headphones for her that fit, especially when she goes hiking, cycling, goes to the gym. These headphones are bar none the best in the business. Cannot recommend enough. Highly recommend.